The advent of internet technology has fundamentally transformed the way people communicate, access information, conduct business, and interact with one another. Since its inception, the internet has evolved from a simple network for academic and government communication into a global phenomenon that permeates nearly every aspect of modern life. This essay explores the development of internet technology, its impact on society, and the implications for the future. The origins of the internet can be traced back to the late 1960s when the US Department of Defense established ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ARPANET was designed to enable communication between research institutions and military bases, allowing for the sharing of information and resources. The initial focus was on creating a resilient communication network that could withstand disruptions, particularly in the context of the Cold War. The development of packet switching technology allowed data to be broken into smaller packets, transmitted across the network, and reassembled at the destination, laying the groundwork for the modern internet. In the 1970s and 1980s, the internet began to expand beyond its military and academic origins. The introduction of protocols such as TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol, standardized the way data was transmitted across networks, enabling different types of computers to communicate with one another. This standardization was crucial for the growth of the internet, as it allowed diverse networks to connect and share information. By the mid-1980s, the number of hosts connected to the internet had grown exponentially, leading to the creation of the Domain Name System (DNS) to facilitate easier navigation of the expanding network. The commercialization of the internet in the 1990s marked a significant turning point in its development. The introduction of the World Wide Web, created by Tim Berners-Lee, revolutionized the way people accessed and shared information online. The web made it possible to create and navigate hyperlinked documents, allowing users to easily find and explore content. The launch of web browsers, such as Mosaic and Netscape Navigator, further democratized access to the internet, making it user-friendly and accessible to a broader audience. This period also saw the rise of search engines, which enabled users to quickly locate information amidst the vast expanse of the web. As internet technology continued to evolve, it gave rise to a plethora of new applications and services that transformed everyday life. Email became one of the first widely adopted internet applications, allowing people to communicate instantaneously across great distances. The ability to send and receive messages via email revolutionized personal and professional communication, leading to a decline in traditional postal services. Additionally, the emergence of instant messaging platforms and social media networks further facilitated real-time communication and interaction, fostering connections between individuals and communities. The impact of internet technology on commerce cannot be overstated. E-commerce emerged as a dominant force in the late 1990s and early 2000s, as businesses began to recognize the potential of the internet as a marketplace. Online retail platforms, such as Amazon and eBay, transformed the way consumers shopped, providing convenient access to a vast array of products and services. The rise of online payment systems, such as PayPal, further facilitated e-commerce by enabling secure transactions. As a result, traditional brick-and-mortar retailers faced increased competition, prompting many to establish an online presence to reach a wider audience. The proliferation of internet technology has also had profound implications for the way information is produced, consumed, and disseminated. The rise of blogging, social media, and user-generated content platforms has democratized the creation of information, allowing individuals to share their thoughts, experiences, and expertise with a global audience. This shift has led to the emergence of citizen journalism, where ordinary individuals report on events and issues, often filling gaps left by traditional media outlets. However, this democratization of information has also raised concerns about the accuracy and reliability of online content, as misinformation and fake news can spread rapidly through social media channels. In addition to transforming communication and commerce, internet technology has had a significant impact on education. Online learning platforms and massive open online courses, MOOCs, have made education more accessible to individuals around the world. Students can now access a wealth of resources and courses from prestigious institutions without the constraints of geography or traditional classroom settings. This shift has the potential to bridge educational gaps and provide opportunities for lifelong learning, although it also raises questions about the quality of online education and the digital divide that exists between those with and without access to technology. The healthcare industry has also benefited from advancements in internet technology. Telemedicine services have emerged as a means of providing remote healthcare, allowing patients to consult with healthcare providers via video calls or online messaging. This has proven especially valuable in rural areas where access to medical facilities may be limited. Additionally, the use of electronic health records, EHRs, has streamlined patient information management, improving the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare delivery. However, the increased reliance on technology in healthcare raises concerns about data privacy and security, as sensitive patient information is stored and transmitted electronically. As internet technology continues to evolve, it has given rise to new trends and innovations that shape the future of communication, commerce, and society as a whole. The proliferation of mobile devices has made the internet more accessible than ever, with smartphones enabling users to connect to the web anytime and anywhere. Mobile applications have transformed various industries, from transportation, for example, ride-sharing services like Uber, to hospitality, for example, accommodation booking platforms like Airbnb, creating new business models and opportunities. The rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, represents another significant development in internet technology. IoT refers to the interconnected network of devices and sensors that communicate with one another over the internet. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and smart cities, enabling greater efficiency and automation. However, the widespread adoption of IoT also raises concerns about data security and privacy, as an increasing number of devices collect and transmit personal information. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are also playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of internet technology. These technologies enable computers to analyze vast amounts of data, learn from patterns, and make predictions, leading to advancements in fields such as personalized marketing, customer service automation, and data analytics. As AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to further enhance the capabilities of internet technology, transforming the way businesses operate and individuals interact. Despite the numerous benefits of internet technology, challenges and concerns remain. Issues related to cybersecurity, data privacy, and digital inequality pose significant risks to individuals and society as a whole. Cyber attacks and data breaches have become increasingly common, highlighting the need for robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Additionally, the digital divide persists, as not everyone has equal access to the internet or the skills necessary to navigate the digital landscape. Efforts to bridge this divide are essential to ensure that the benefits of internet technology are accessible to all. In conclusion, internet technology has fundamentally transformed the way people communicate, access information, and conduct business. From its origins as a military communication network to its current status as a global phenomenon, the Internet has reshaped societies and created new opportunities. The impact of Internet technology extends across various domains, including communication, commerce, education, and healthcare. As we move forward, it is essential to address the challenges and concerns associated with Internet technology while harnessing its potential to create a more connected and equitable world. The ongoing evolution of Internet technology will undoubtedly continue to shape the future, influencing how we live, work, and interact with one another.